Okay, in this example, we have been given an HTML page, right? Here we have a head section and a body section. Okay, as we know, whatever is in the body will be displayed in the page, right? So here we have a button and a div, right? In this div, there are no contents inside, only the style being applied. So in the style attribute, we have a background of red, height of 50 pixels, width of 50 pixels, and position is absolute. Okay, so if we run this one, right, this is how we will see the page. Okay, um, okay, so this is the page. Now if we go investigate the head section, there's a reference to the external jQuery library. So this is served from this domain, ajax.googleapis.com. Okay, so that is the jQuery library. And then we have a separate script tag where a functionality has been written inside document.ready, right? So dollar sign is the jQuery object, the short notation, and we can use like this as well if you want, right? It's the same thing, dollar, right? And so if you check this one about the dollar sign of it, okay, we will first check what this one is, right? If I go to say search jQuery Google API, I will get this one, and if I click on that, right, so this is basically the Google hosted libraries is a stable, reliable, high-speed, globally available content. So here, globally available content distribution network for the most popular open source JavaScript libraries. So there are many JavaScript libraries like this. From here you can see Dojo, Xcode, right, Hammer.js, likewise. So here you can click on jQuery. So if you click that, you will see for different versions they have a different URL, right? Basically our one, that given one is similar to this, but the version is a bit different. So if we look at the code here, right, so we can see it's 211, and in this one it is 224. Okay, so this is the place where this jQuery is being fetched from. Okay, and then talking about document ready, if you search for that as well, like here in Google, if you search for what is document ready jQuery, right, if you search that, okay, so there's a small definition here. We'll go to the official documentation of jQuery. It says document ready, a page can't be manipulated safely until the document is ready. jQuery detects this state of readiness for you. Code included inside $document ready will only run once the page DOM is ready for JavaScript code to execute. So once the document object model that we know is loaded, only the JavaScript code will be executed, right? So it ensures that the functions that we perform will work on the DOM element. Okay, so that is about document ready. And now this is the button. Then the jQuery is been targeted, the button is been targeted by jQuery. So this is an element targeting. So button is an element, HTML element. It has been targeted, and on click, its click event, right? So there's a function that has been run up to this point. Okay, so here it says select all the divs. Okay, there is only one div here, and animate its height and width. So height is already it's 50 pixels. Now it's kind of telling, okay, just make the height 200 pixels, right? And the width was 50 pixels. Now the width, it is telling that once you click on this button, width should be 200 pixels. So this is animate function will do it for you. Okay, so this is the code. This is this function actually does this height and width thing only. So there is no moving stuff. Okay, let's see what happens when we run this application. Okay, so if you click on this one, remember you need internet connection for this to work. There you go. So there's only the width increase here. Okay, width and the height. That's all. There is nothing moving from here to there or something like that, right? So if we look at the answers, so there's a question here. Which of the following statements are true about the above HTML code? Select one or more. Okay, when the user clicks on the start animation button, the div section will increase the height to 200 pixels. Yes, height will be increased, and width to 200 pixels. Yeah, that is also true. While moving to the left is false. That is not true. So it will also change the background color of the div to red while moving. So basically it's already red, right? Because of these settings, it was already red and height was 50 and width was 50. So this is wrong. A is wrong. When the user clicks on the start animation button, the div section which has a red background will increase. So it says div section which has a red background, that is true. It already has a red background, will increase the height to 200 pixels and width to 200 pixels. So that is correct. And move to left, that is wrong. There is no moving happening, right? So that is wrong. When the user clicks on the start animation button, the div section which has a red background will change its height to 200 pixel and width to 200 pixel, which is correct. Okay, so this is correct, right? It's a correct answer. Yes, tick. Now it will produce no output, which is wrong. It is producing output, right? So this HTML code produces this output. Okay, so the page has syntactic error. So this is the same code in the question, so it doesn't have any syntax error. It's perfect. So the only answer is this one, right? Okay, then we will talk about some other two stuff. All right. All right, this one. So the following symbol can be used as a shortcut for jQuery. Select one. The @ sign, no. This sign, that is also no. The question mark sign, no. The exclamation sign is also no. So basically, the shorthand for jQuery is the $sign, right? So here the answer is none mentioned. So this should be ticked. Okay. And which of the following JavaScript statement returns all the div elements in a HTML document? Right. So as we know, this is no valid jQuery. This is also not a valid jQuery. but this one is correct, jQuery, and we give the string value of div. So this is basically a element selector. This selects every div in the document, okay, the list of divs. And here $sign, that is the shorthand for this jQuery. So this also selects all the divs in the document, okay. But here $sign, and you will have to use the double quote mark or the single quote mark here, otherwise this is syntactically wrong. So because of that, this is wrong. C and D should be the answers. Okay, so I think that's about it. So we have covered the whole 3 questions that had doubts. Okay.